So there's a movie that has Salma Hayek in
Yeah, I was
it.
just about to say, is this where Selma Hayek gave birth?
Yes, on the Hoover Dam.
Isn't this where the San Diego fault happened?
Oh my gosh.
That movie?
San Andreas.
Yeah,
Probably, yeah.
This is it.
Sanders.
Do you guys want to get out and walk?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't think so.
I'm going to let you out over at the end,
Yeah,
and then
we'll
I'm going
pick
to turn
you up.
around, drive back, and then I'll wait for you at the end.
Cool?
Cool? Look at the doggy!
So you're not gonna walk, Mom?
No,
I don't
no.
think
Well, I
so.
guess Grandma could drive back. Yeah, I can walk with you guys.
Does Grandma want to walk?
No,
No, she does not want to walk.
I don't know. I'm taking pictures. This is a long ass walk.
It's not that long of a walk.
It's not as long as we just walked in Vegas.
Chirp, 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 chirp.